back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest videos. And today we are going to talk about a variant which is none other than HP ProBook 11 out here. A very interesting gadget out here, HP Pro 11. ProBook की बात करें, HP ProBook की बात करें, we can say that this was designed. This entire series was designed actually for the corporate world. Mostly the gadgets or the devices including HP ProBook and ProBook entire series was basically designed for the corporate world. Yes, they use it in the household purpose also, but yes, mostly it was kept in mind for the corporate world. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, let us talk about the specifications. Talking about the specifications, it has got an inbuilt or embedded security system of TPM 1.2 security chip. Yes, you will find that it is offering you TPM security chip system of 1.2 out there. Apart from that, you will also find that this variant is offering you a core processor or processing system out there, CPU system, which is known as, that is from Intel Core processor, 5th generation i3, and it can be customized. Yes, up to 5th generation i3 is there, so it can be customized easily. Apart from that, you also get to see that it is offering you dual core processing system out there along with clock speed of 2 gigahertz. The 2 gigahertz clock speed could be seen out here. Along with that, you get to see really amazing variants out there. Windows operating system is seen out in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you 64 compression. Yes, 64 bytes compression Windows operating system could be seen out in this version. Apart from that, you also get to see that it offers you a cache memory. Yes, the cache memory is being offered out here, which is a 3 MB. So storage ki baat kare, if we talk about the storage out there, then we can say that it offers you a good storage capacity in the cache memory, RAM, hard drives. Cache memory ki baat kare, if we talk about the cache memory, then installed size of the cache memory is 3 MB, whereas RAM is about 4 GB. So you get to have a good RAM, 4 GB RAM could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this RAM is offering you a good memory speed of 1600 megahertz. 1600 megahertz is definitely a good variant out here, offering a good variation. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you DDR3L type RAM, like DDR3L type RAM is seen out on this variant. That is an amazing version. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you a great connectivities out there. External support system. Now talking about the external support system, we can say that there is an expandable or the maximum support size provided to the gadget. You get to have 8 GB support size. Yes, you get to see that it offers you 8 GB support size. This expandable or the maximum support size is given so that it can have the best out of it. Now talking about this variant, then we can say that there is a single slot out there and you get to have a hard drive storage in the form of HDD. Yes, you get to have HDD format hard drive storage, which offers you a spindle speed of 5400 RPM. Now, this speed helps us to know about the gadget. It helps us to know about the processing of the gadget. So this is really nice that it offers you 5400 RPM. Along with that, it offers you a capacity of 500 GB. So in the format of HDD, 500 GB is really a good variant out there. Talking about this variant, then we can talk about the displayed screen, everything out there. And when we talk about the screen size, then it offers you 29.5 centimeter screen size, which is definitely a good variant. 29.5 centimeter is definitely a variant which is good out there. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you LED type screen. Along with that, it offers you WLED backlight. WLED backlight could be seen out here. You get to see HD resolution. You get to see the standard view angle out there. You get to see anti-glance version. Yes, you get to see these kind of things out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then let us talk about this variant. Specifically, what kind of touch screen does it offer? It offers you touch screen, so you get to have a very good variation out in this version. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then we can say that it offers you good quality of multimedia. because multimedia also plays an important role along with the display out there, because anti-glance display, HD resolution, side view angle resolution, wicked light out there. So multimedia also plays an important role. Talking about this multimedia, it is actually correlated with the graphical part. Talking about the graphical part, then we can say that it works good with Intel HD graphics. Intel HD graphics, specifically 5500, is working well out there. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you a integrated webcam. It offers you integrated webcam out there. Everything is working well out. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a good output input in the stereotype speakers, microphones out there. Along with that, keyboard and touchpad can also be seen out. Gesture control, mouse control, these kind of functionalities are seen. Along with that, you get to see wireless protocol, or the wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, no optical connectivity, but audio input output jack, USB connectivity, USB drives. You get to see power jacks. Everything could be seen out in this variant. All these specifications are there, and when we talk about the battery life, then we can say that it offers you 3 cell battery life with lithium ion, and it offers you nothing else but 36-volt capacity. So overall, it is a very good variant out here, because having jack system, having USB connectors, having a good battery life, good storage, a great display, even if it provides you a good operating system out there, as well as when it offers you some great specifications, like it offers you a great range of internal softwares, like it offers you Microsoft Office, preloaded image, pre-installed Windows out there. So there are various things which are even built in this gadget. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you good connectivity of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, a good system for or security system out there, HP's inbuilt apps. So everything is really good out there. Overall, we can say that this offers you a great range of functionalities, differences out there. Now, let us talk about the pricing also, because pricing plays an important role out there in every gadget. And when we talk about pricing, let us visit our website. We are at justatclick.com. Yes, this website helps or provides a great range of products. Along with that, it provides you a functionality of or a function of customizability. Yes, you can customize your gadgets here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here, this website out here provides you your gadgets in pocket friendly rates. Pocket friendly rates are provided out here. So let us search about this gadget in this search icon. So let us search about HP Pro Book 11 out here. This is the result out here, which we have searched. And when we talk about the results, then we can say that there's a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also, so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about the refurbished products, or we can say the refurbished brand out here, we can say that refurbished and brand new are quite same products. They are similar like products out here. We can say that. Now, when we say brand new, what does this mean? This means that this is something absolutely newly like or new product out here directly from the company. Whereas refurbished means creating something newly like that, a pre-owned gadget that has been brought up in the market, making it again something brand new. Like this is what refurbished means. So talking about refurbished and brand new, does they differ in design, functionalities, anything else? No, they do not differ in their designs. They do not differ in their functionalities. They have the same functionality, design, test is out there, the capturing capacity, working, everything is same. But what differs out is the pathway which is involved in this. And when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that there is a pathway which includes base, mediator, and consumer. This is a common pathway. But for brand new, if we talk about brand new, then we can say that Base is the company which releases the gadget out. Yes, Base is the company which releases gadget out in the market. Whereas this marketplace, the mediator is the point bridge out here, which is included in company and the user out there. Talking about the company out there and the users, this marketplace is a vast space out here because there are a lot of change involved in this marketplace. So overall, we see the marketplace. Now, when we talk about this marketplace, this helps the user to collect their gadgets out there. They get the gadgets, they have the gadgets out there. Now the user has that gadget, that pre-owned gadget is brand new gadget out here. Now this pre-owned gadget, it wants to be resold. Now the gadget is going to be resold by us. We are the users out here. Now what happens? This user from brand new becomes the base for the refurbished product and wants to resell them. When we want to resell them, then it has to be checked that all the functionalities are being done properly or not. Because pre-owned gadgets are, we can say, once used product. Yes, they have been once used. Now they are brought up in the marketplace, vast place out here definitely. So marketplace. Now they have been tested and verified, brought up in the site, and now another user buys this product. Yes, now another user buys this product and is brought up in the market by first user to another user. Now, what does this differ? How does they differ? They differ in the testing sites. Yes, there is a difference in the testing site. Testing parameters are same, structure is same, everything is same. But difference lies out in the testing sites out there. Now talking about the testing site, how does the testing site differs? Talking about the testing sites, then we can say that brand new products are tested within the company as well as various other sites. There are various sites where company tests before bringing out into the marketplace. But what happens to the another users? What happens to another users out here? Pre-owned gadgets, or that is the refurbished products. They are tested, verified, and sold up on the same site which is responsible for testing it. If you have a site which where you are reselling it, they only have to test it, verify it, and resell that product. So this is what happens in the refurbished gadgets. Now, talking about refurbished gadgets and brand new gadgets, they are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, tests out here. So let us talk about the parameters which are involved in testing these gadgets, because parameters plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about these parameters, we can say that there are a list of parameters which are classified basically into external and internal parameters. There are two basic parameters out there: external parameters and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the gadgets or the external factors which are involved there. And when we classify them, we can say that they are actually the parameters uh, which we see through our eyes. Like external parameters does not require any component, equipments, robots, software. These are not required because they can be easily seen through eyes. Like if we talk about the design, then we can directly see it. We can compare the design. If we check about the scratches, if we talk about the buttons, functional keys, touchpad, mouse control, the arrows, volume button, even the ports. There are ports, whether the port are working or not. These kind of things could be seen. The display type, camera, resolution, each of the things which can be directly checked out through the, we can say, gadgets. So these are the things. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that refurbished products, external parameters are checked without any such softwares. Once it is classified, then it is moved on to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that internal parameters include nothing else but the internal functional keys, internal gadgets, internal softwares, internal elements, which are to be tested with robots, equipment, softwares. So they need some specialized things for their working. Now, once it is checked out, like you have to check the internal processor, graphical processor, video support system, cache memory, RAM, hard disk out there, optical drive applicable, connectivity, Bluetooth, the internal display type, each and everything out there. So once they are verified, they are checked out, then we can say that they offer you a good range in the internal components. What would happen if there is any default? They have to be replaced, they have to be renewed with the original parts from the company, so they are in a good quality, they provide good service out there. Talking about this kind of variants, then we can say that they are classified and certified just like brand new. The way brand new is certified and is classified, that is absolutely ready to use in the market, same way happens in the refurbished product. Now talking about the refurbished products and brand new, there are few differences, or we can say benefits out for refurbished products. Talking about the benefits, number one is the pocket friendly rate. You get to have pocket friendly rate out here. You get to see the pocket friendly rates. So what are these pocket friendly rates? These are nothing else, but we know that brand new products are actually expensive gadgets. They are slightly expensive, whereas you have refurbished products in a pocketable rate. That is a pocket friendly rate out here. Apart from that, if you talk about these two parameters, if you talk about these two functionalities, then we can say that brand new and refurbished have a difference in their pricing. So you get to see that the pricing difference allows you to have a good range of savings. Yes, you get to have a great range of savings out there. Since you have a savings, what would happen to the warranty period? Because we know brand new products offers you 1 year warranty out there. And pre-owned gadgets usually don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a category called refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. These are the two additional benefits of having refurbished products, because you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. Talking about these products, talking about these variants, we can talk about the site again, the site we were visiting out. Let us visit that first. We were at justatclick.com. Yes, we were at justatclick.com. This site is nothing else but a online website which allows you to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. And the name itself suggests just at click. Just at a click, you can get your favorite gadgets out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this website, then this website allows you to have customizability option. Now, what is this customizability option? This is nothing else but a option or a variant out here which allows you to customize your gadget accordingly. Yes, you can customize your gadget accordingly. You can customize the RAM, processor, storage, whatever things can be customized or have been customized, or the option is available for the gadget by the company. You can customize those things. Apart from that, you get to have COD out there. Yes, you get to have COD, and as well as you get to have free shipping. You get to have free shipping, COD. Since it's an online website, so you get to have an hassle-free shopping out there. You will not be like contacting much in, so that you can have a social distancing out there. So there is a hassle-free shopping out there. Along with that, money back guarantee and online support system is provided out here, and you can search your gadget in the search icon, which helps to search your favorite gadgets in a very limited format. So you can visit our website for best pricing. Along with that, if you would like to order, you have the number in the description box, or you can go on website and check out your favorite gadgets for the best pricing. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.